Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got an amazing tutorial for you, how to compress large files without losing their quality. Whether it's folders, images, PDFs, or videos, I'm going to show you step by step how to make those files smaller while keeping their original quality intact. Let's dive right in. We'll start with folders or files you want to compress. Here's how. Open your browser and type 7-zip in the search bar. Hit enter. Look at the results and click on the first link that appears. Make sure you're on the official 7-zip website to avoid any third-party ads or unnecessary downloads. Once on the website, look for the download section. You'll see options for both 64-bit and 32-bit systems. Select the version that matches your system. Click on the download button and save the setup file to your computer. Once the setup file is downloaded, double-click it to open. Click on Install, and in just a few seconds, the installation will be complete. Now that we've installed 7-zip, let's compress a file. Find the file or folder you want to compress, right-click it, and choose Show More Options from the drop-down menu. You'll now see the 7-zip option. Click on it and select Add to Archive. A new menu will pop up. Here, you can customize the compression method and level. For example, you can choose between normal, ultra, or maximum compression. Once you've selected your settings, hit OK and the compression process will start. After a few moments, you'll have a compressed version of your file or folder ready to use. Pretty simple, right? But we're just getting started. Compressing images without losing quality. Let's move on to images, which can take up a lot of storage space, especially high-resolution ones. But don't worry, open your browser again and search for TinyPNG. Click on the first link that appears in the search results. Once you're on the TinyPNG website, drag the image file you want to compress and drop it into the upload area. TinyPNG will automatically compress the image while preserving its quality. Once the compression is complete, click on the Download All Images button to save the optimized file. That's it. You now have a compressed image file that looks just as good as the original, but takes up much less space. Next up, let's talk about videos. You know how frustrating the size limits can be. Here's how to make them smaller using HandBrake. Open your browser and search for HandBrake. Click on the very first link to access the official HandBrake website. On the website, click Download and save the setup file to your computer. After the setup file is downloaded, open it and follow the installation process. HandBrake will install quickly, so you won't have to wait long. Once installed, open the HandBrake program. Drag the video file you want to compress into the HandBrake window. At the top, you'll see a section called Presets. Click on it and choose the compression quality you prefer. For example, you can select a lower resolution or bitrate to reduce file size while keeping the video visually appealing. Next, click Start Encoding and let HandBrake do its thing. This process may take a few minutes, depending on the size of your video. Once encoding is complete, click on the Browse button to save the compressed file. And there you have it, a smaller video file that's ready to share or store. Compressing PDFs. Finally, let's tackle PDFs. Open your browser and search for ILovePDF. Click on the first link that appears. Once on the website, find the Compress PDF section and click on it. Upload the PDF file you want to compress by dragging and dropping it into the designated area. Choose your preferred compression level, low, medium, or high. Keep in mind that higher compression levels may slightly reduce image quality, but the text will remain clear. Hit the Compress PDF button and within seconds your file will be optimized. Finally, click Download and save the compressed PDF to your computer. Follow these steps carefully as there are lots of clicks involved. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which file type you compress the most. See you in the next video. Happy compressing.